Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the Blinks Uncut on Jade Blinks TV, where every voice is stripped to its raw truths and every story is told beyond the spotlight. I am your host, Hawa Kulu, the only vibrant media personnel in the Northern Media Fraternity. Clock it. We are going for a short commercial break, and when we return, I am introducing my guest. Trust me, this interview is not something you would like to miss. Stay tuned. Welcome back from the short commercial break. Today, with me here in the studio, I have the most wanted, the most branded, the dapper of the moment, the man of the moment, and of course, the Dogoyaro hit maker, superstar Fancy Gadam. Baby.
What's up?
Cool. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, how is it going? How have you been?
I've been good, You can see up and down.
Okay, so
the new joint.
Okay, to me, anabasa is also come so to point the la Jojo Katai Magwa Paga Katizai. We'll be talking about a lot, but Sahama Adibu Galisi. Let's take it back to the beginning of Fancy Gadam's journey, Joe, for our listeners to benefit something. To go and pick me from the very first beginning of the journey. I know it's going to be a tough journey. Let's pick it up from challenges, Shanga. To encounter. Let's also talk about the new developments, Shangadam journey. We also talk about the upcoming Shuma, of course, the biggest joint concert on the 30th. So first of all, Tupo and Chela, the beginning of Fancy Gadam, challenge Shangadam journey as compared to now. See, till I'm challenging Shangadam from the beginning, ma. Sahango. Wula ka to will la mistake ma from beginning ka to correct the shanga ka de chen yeranga. We know Fancy Gadam have started from a long time, being a dancer to a singer to the Northern music controller. What have been some of the challenges shanga and encountered throughout the journey?
Yeah, so yelling challenges. I think the guys here guys because I started this music thing not today, and Sasha started yelama attention drakane anyalabo, and then what to feed Daniel a big problem, big challenge until Fancy Gadam. So behind that negi she na changa jawa bamba yama ntijia gulo kona do ebira kana ka tijia gulo shotini Incha masana di tongba sa ngba bendi. Anyela mo so land Daniel, and then I had to run away from house and then chasing my dream. And it was obvious that the whole family know that bad boy who refused to go to school and chasing every sound on the street. Tiku ne bonkum da kum direction. So while comes as Samuna, Munkami and Fano, meaning fast guarantee wala musical career open. In the end, we are winning now. So we say Alhamdulillah. Because Sorabatar ne Dagwan Yila Pune, Sonanto Kati Yila Capital 200 Ghana City. Pula 200 cities. Drakane. Intaman Kusa on Zomian Bole. And Kapama Papai. He's ungrateful. Otamane temuno pilege. Tenipulam bonnet zone of Misha on the show, Table Lorana, Angelabo. Bazo, a lot of people are benefiting from this. So, how I don't know Puni, Anya can yara. Come on, they don't dread in dark party. Lamaman enjoy. Zongo baby won't enjoy you, woman, and die you.
Sure.
Then can die. I chant to you buying yapuni. Don't dread in Parlaman enjoy. Zongo baby won't enjoy you, man, enjoy because man is on zone number one. Come too much like come too bad like Kamzasa. Don't go into Carla business. Amazon, I'm going to get a chant today 50 million, a chant today 100 million. Just a night.
Okay.
So this Aviala. Jeremy was driving is Amazon I am winning and my younger ones are also winning.
So looking at the struggles throughout the journey, when did you realize that music was not just a passion but a purpose for you?
Yeah, so when I said before I eat, I have to go and knock on Jamal Zambe's door before he finds something for me to eat. The moment I became superstar, well known in
Allah,
Tamale.
super.
Yeah, the moment I became a superstar, well known in Tamale, I realized that this is my craft and this is what I've chosen for myself. I need to commercialize it. And that was the reason why I started taking all these blames when they were tagging me names. He's an ungrateful, he doesn't know, he doesn't have humanity, he doesn't know we are friends. No, friends is friends, and when it comes to business, it's business.
Okay.
But I realized when I feel the Tamale Sports Stadium all alone, that was when I realized, now it is full-time job.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So looking at it, Ankanati Willie Sahawo, no doubt, a lot of people are saying you are the controller of the Northern music, meaning yet a savior. I mean, ato Sade Lala particular titles woma with full chest. Biana borna nang benyera shanga pai, katana patuzang lala title mazangta.
Yeah, so I will and Jenny every year. Now until my blessing, Shelly, Mama never expected them kind of in my life. Because things that I've said in my music, I come across it. You touch on the year and puni, can't even parle. And my meaning the year lama, the pala like Nami Mika de Urikan no me. Now you could bounce my can yell the banner, can now know Namiko Punia, Carter can attend now. Because I really come out to no eventually. Tinaye bebe ka jole te master nama Jamal Bamba nama Jamal Bamba nung basa buzara look room up to P square anyala bo so my master nam look room up to P square kan basa look up to them anyala bo so I really anyam video shanga kan tryra then dress like them be kan tryra no work man bana be kan ye kama ka be yila nam puni kan ye kan yindele kama yindele with full chest kama akono proud ka de wula. These are my idols that I'm looking up to.
Okay.
Yeah. So, looking at Tamale Sports Stadium, there are some kind of way. Don't pa nearby young Canada Nandele, Kamasatan and many more. Zongotin Kirisa, the Kandayarma, the Bangayela Virgin, Mananda Breku, Lolakam da Parmi, Mananda Yoli, the names of Mapuya Yelle, Kayaka de Wula, Benya Shandan Danye challenges, Zantati, Kamaya. Thing may go to them as Sasa. Pumpo, how young and kind of young to them show. Cover involved. O more Minika de Wula. O Kulni Yatasha, or Ben likely. Angelabo. So give me Sasa Sasa. Kafas Gadam ya, Fansma, Banenche, Banentela Yama, Angelabo. So looking at Shambalama, the Pana Pam, Letting to Zale, Pana Shama, Amatana Nia, Nerichang, Garla. Especially Kama eventually and Nongo. Niru pam yala ba hankali dem yala dem bereso den kan niru hankali bereso ma de wurun kama de wula tin to porte man kar nan fe yalanga ay nyam ya ka ada bigger brands baza nan kore zan kana te industry mo puni ba min ka de okay Ghana sheben ka bu bondi dagbamba ka ba yindi dagbanle anyala bo so and I don't believe the like opportunity sharing kana ma te to me nan la yila and particularly I'll make sure I sing in Dagbani. I learn ya. Yilema ni changolo kamza sa. But me Dagbambele and yin Yilema. Okay. So don't I like John Saka and Bora.
Okay, so Chakatakana really growth of Northern music, Sahawo, Northern entertainment in general. We know undoubtedly to go to Kale Groove ma without fancy gadam. But to born to you the zoo some on side Shelly. Kalahti na kadamadi fancy gadam and other bigger brands. Sahaka naka iblen nang de ila beki iblen nang the music. So without you, you nama kamanti and put her aside for now. Ka you the Northern entertainment, be Northern music in general. Do you think zoo some better puni?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of couple of talents out there. Okay. But like equally, but couldn't the correct like me. Anyala bo, we couldn't de la vie yelanga. But the only thing come and advice nyam kai dula. I'm a young star, don't let stardom get into your head. Because dire nye karamba na manan kulan pu jawal bamba na anyela bo but you know zongo harkan tiche yila mba ko mbian mahal le kan tiche yila
Okay.
anyela because ni sala de suna mish pula yina amish pula yina la no kai mbang she pula kuna
Okay.
anyela bo so ayi ni yila ka nye young artist de sumsum ne I make sure ka min ka de wula nirbo mbora de suka nye stama so you need to be humble one because min ka de wula tele ni karpone nir pam ye bana to gbele because artist ne pam yela bana de vien yelanga ba publisher de ku bier pon kan yelanga ma kama de la stardom ma get me into their head ayela bo kan ko advice ka de wula tumal talent pam to position to no to bolu ya every artist that mun yini yila kan yibu to yinde dolo de wuran ka de wula nirbe za de lampune ka fanse garam ko a lot of artists in the northern region.
So you've mentioned that Nirbo Yili Yinabo Bianca Pangabo Mang. Let's come and look at rivalry. Mami, Bensha Atokuto Bol Bensha rivalry ka competition kadapu. So Sahan we know like Sahasha Dangare, Tadamika my rival. Betamika my rival, not the music industry pune. So Sahan do you really see be ananyar lala competition ma between Amin lala rivalry ma competition ma again can we still call it rivalry be nyong bugare?
Oh, you know, no matter what, can yen in China. So you dira, so you come so you dira can nego. The top up. Because yes, I know work out the will at China ma. This zoya.
Okay.
Angela, but so you dira can nego to top up. The boy at yen and can will at this out of Santana. Can yen at Gare ya. Baby and
okay.
Angela, so do yell go buwe da dini
okay, so check out the color to trade the most important thing. So we didn't know about Shadang Boti, the biggest joint concert. Kadian Kana on the 30th of May. Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium, Balama, definitely. So when that be Northern Region, we'll cover Lala News. I think Okujamano Womle. Let's talk about Lala concert, Woma. And the Tulubwagazangpa Lala concert, Ma Pulu. The Mala Adaponchela the Pulu, Juba, I'll still talk about it. Are we expecting a collaboration with P Square before Rude Boy before the show itself?
Yes, so feeling them puni. Yila idea yina before event ma. Ba ma mi ni say nguna mbugara yila manzo on yom ni netenang concert.
Okay.
Anyala bo so yila on wa den yala something den come and wula like think create la relationship fial ngo wuri come and wula den nang ma anyala bo so mbumera yo nika de wula den nang ama tebe de puni.
Okay, so you mean music manguna is not business. Who could decide them near no concert? You have something.
Yes, to do.
Okay.
I get it now.
All right.
Yeah.
So another thing is that Wumka a past interviews ka yell come and he's going to come earlier before the show.
Yeah.
How early? Yell before that summer.
Yes, so Gadam Nation nama. Eku yunda Rude Boy and come na tamango on Friday.
Wow.
Friday ko impana.
Okay.
Anyala bo so pana Friday ma Friday ka chang into mito at the airport so the selector la ranya Gadam Nation pa ka bo ali ga ma shi ya mun rubo diga ma la Gadam Nation diga setan nang ma la liga ma ba dale dunguna ba pa a Gadam Nation ba pa this is na malle that's want to pa ya ka ba yele nzang gina ay yele gina ya ka ko to kanatinye pala so zaninye o picture man fast Gadam picture de wurka de wula kama ti shir saya ne ti Diego vien yalanga anyala bo so tele so so nyon ka de wula te borne solo yina amma te bo bor moto no too much because moto ma trete me sarati ne ma te milaji sarati so to kon solo so kon man ko ye la ligo ma ana da dan pa mon ka da dan ne la fast Gadam Rude Boy ligama show ma ligama banga mampam ka dadin ya show ma nyela de ya non vient yelanga it tap son pour.
Okay, so I'm curious. So if Rude Boy is coming on Friday, is it that Yilama will be done on Friday? Can't release a cat at le pay for show ma dalbe.
No, that song might come before.
Okay.
Yilema, this was coming up before Kokana Young. And we are even looking at doing music video before. So, who will just watch out.
Okay.
So, three born to Kaga is as a chungo. Ama, Yilema, no, ka video, no, ka before concert, ma. Yaki Pidi, you play Catalan to pack my pony. Mammy, fans, ma, Yila Kuina, the bata, then Saiba. 3 days go to Sabon by Yila Kazanti Parkman.
Okay. All right. Nice one. So let's come and look at to me, come on. Rude Boy of P Square fame is not a small act.
Yeah.
You bringing him from Nigeria all the way to Tamale. Customer is going to. I know it's not going to be something you would like to mention on Babe Farms, or but we know the cost involved. The Galicia looking at it. Dabiamba Malana, come on. Don't turn a cat. The Batonian Pala la cost shelter involving in La Bongoma. Dabiamba Mala, Zangparapul.
Yeah, so. It's a good question, man. And one a good question. Well, I love this question. Yeah, so mostly I am number one. The last time when I said I chose northern music over myself, people said I was just like chasing clouds or wanted to be seen as a good person. But the actual thing is that I chose northern music over myself because the investment that we are using to bring this big artist, I could have used that money to buy myself a luxurious car for myself because then I had accidents with my car. I was facing challenges. But my team and I we decided to, do the show.
Okay.
And what about Anto could decide? Can you only launch a dogo yaro? Can you come you to pack up? I have candidated Lauren Pule until I do Indira. But value for money, then come to our fans have been supporting us from day one. So it is good we do things that they can't imagine. But we tell the bumble now to and I believe Tinunga, the then we clash of bazaar, come yaka the wedding mala, Zonuma, but Chanaba, the specific things I yes, Susanne. Don't coach industry ma, Carla Lamnatizan the Nabazo, Canongula, Cala Boomra. Because on the day, Zon in Bala King David. Zongi mbala Gushao, zongi mbala Yendi. Kala yeleni na tela yo kayula. This has some way.
Okay.
It is good ka traira ne anangula. At something nice for the people to enjoy. So the money we have put in this whole thing is huge. But in ka the wula, I need to try a brand. Acto di la lagre.
Okay.
I mean, I get what I'm saying. The people that support you, and into the branch and Melmaka de Wula, let comes a card. You believe that the money will come back. So the Mesha can look at the Wula, Gadam Nation, I sang the Bankule, and the Shellan Cane, Kaya and Divi. The Zukat de Landroma, Katisokuja, coming to the Wula, the Yadi and them, Kala love them, Kala love them. Look, yes,
okay, so can they lead to rate my from the man can't will this is the very first time ka Gadam stage the show ka VIP ma VVIP ma rating it 200 Ghana cedis, right? Ka regular 100 Ghana cedis. You just said something here. I need Gadam Nation fans ka really come and definitely but check it to recover la last year. Looking at rates ma 200 100. Di share ya nan kama ka Gadam Nation no share but they have ka yina come and di bonku yerna sham all the time to support ra. Approximately will you be able to cover getting to amount challenge?
Yeah, Tonyamo. Tindana yen fixi rate ma. Ntima monenti zasara na tiara me. Investment ma Garcia. Ti yet nirma na be 200 cedis. Would they accept it? Not knowing that the more katazorma, the more artists zorma, le no ka fans ma bazaar ka bazor delt. Because aye fans ma. They are not fools. They see. But when you are investing, they know. I investor. But I investor. So definitely, at the show, Karigela, upper rate. But you deserve it. So to not part the rate ma haleso. To be 1% single person you need to complain rate man too much. Everybody accept them. Come in fast gadam. investor me so or deserve ya little you learn comes as a nzang or event ayela bo so undi taloka de wula bande to yina vien yelanga kama bon pon ku yir na to show nan punu shama tanyala bande to nka vale kato nan bigger ones dan gargoma lazang nan taba.
Okay, so looking at 2025 Zankana Zungo, the Mala concert Fancy Gadam Nang so far, it has been a joint concert from you and Shatawale to Lala Denwo.
Yeah.
So whom the woman can never command your team and yourself have just decided to bring Lala idea woman just to swerve your way out of a flop concert. I believe Manuela Kamandi Fancy Gadam can no longer stage his own show without bringing somebody.
Yeah.
The mala kaman azang dala nirvana na azang revive I mean a dying career what do you have to say about that?
It's okay. So comes my own opinion to say whatever you want to say. But I compare him and learn nation to know yarma mulengar bookings one can hear my bora because like the previous from 2025 zankana young because when I'm the most book artist. People bora bumbuka maka man tata na show ma they pay me and I'm man charger gar so come young you see man charger gar so come young kaso yan ka de wula nirma mborma anyela bo so me ku chanta na show na match ma ya ni mal show lela no ka kula hanyina anyela bo man ku feeling ka de wula the simsim ni team fans value for money and that is why kan yaka ma de wula kan treba variety.
Okay. What you understand? Right.
And again, maybe other cancer, but color no show them. Angela bo, and again, but cash never told you so. Kazona, and this is our fans feel it. But color, they don't get money. Because the day in Kilimura, ne show them Pierre, and got to show them a Kaluma Yari Pierre.
Back at you, the way join concerts, my year still put a fans got up tonight, they don't know who.
Aye,
never still join concerts.
But they're telling younger.
Manager don't want it, no controversies. Okay, so Chakatakana to really show ma of course they had to ponzere lahabale from outside Tamale can nearby yarba yibwana yakana help people from Accra dal wonku yune news sambalama and media house shall da yar kamande you come capture the program to me come a big event balama. So let's talk about security. The pamala problem with that. Dal wunda yale programs unda kana akosi a program shall the mala amin Shatawale program balama after program manda kana akosi Gadam Nation fan, a very strong one on TikTok, who complained how she was being harassed at gates so ankana to you lala complaints ma the mala kamante security ma ya and even very tight didn't check out malala issues so so wulanye preparations zangpa security kulo kama ka fans man rest assured that big Canada are going to be safe.
Yes, so I really ana yele ta shele na ade la baraka ni pamnya ba yi boba ne ya ntena dagbang chaka na ku gela be shaw anye wa tan share bose Dubai bose
okay
woman best farmer in Upper West region. He's my strong fan. Oh yeah, normally 2 VIP bars.
Okay.
Kabayiri wa.
Okay.
Nkana show mapon. Anyala bo.
VIP bars.
Wa konko Zakarma. Last one the 2.
Okay.
Konko in high. Nzanti mfasa bambe nimpo nebukana. Ntita so la program ma. So kana nche ben yi ko foridua. Ben yi Accra. Ben yi Kumasi. Ben yi Takoradi. Kana nche dagban wotan kwanko amaza sanye la bambe shile. Ngul bukata tap so la program ma.
Okay.
Dali share biar punya ka de wula. Ada ticket ma. Kana sa I ndile moto pali. So big up to Oboy Azma for giving us the opportunity ma. Tenku yeti date mana. Come on, date nearby no show with Rude Boy from P Square. Go reach out. Nobody was sponsored the program ma. Anyilabo. Apart from on the moto ma, go to last year. Netizan support the program for bringing this kind of person because Bazara I want to be yilama Captain Nashale otonto to trainer dagbamu.
Okay.
Show ma dimbali ya shama de tumurla mamuna team masuba because halba bishan show za sama ka de wula show ngona. Oi kam piale be kam piale so te so la yili dan ma because ambele pa pam gela bamba ne shili ne ka ta tap son te programme ma
Yeah, sure.
so to ko so la yili dan ma ku san e pa kana ki to yili show ma kala ko yang na la fe aba secret ma kama pa ba yeto te yila gate yale ne to zanti pa ba konko
Okay.
because kaso kan pa ba to complain ka de wula bi kana event mani bi bi nya ban be mani ka so ban do gba go gbuna ka so ban do gba so harazerba so la so ya te yila gate yale ne to zanti for ladies, only for ladies. Okay. I think lala man no gba nyem ka papama kula to affect papama. So dum man yela anku yi shala polo kanna. First dum do shala kom pama. Papa gate ba.
Okay.
Ba so chela ka video shan no tin yaro ma. Kare shayi kama kare chang katang panka ka pakam malniya. No bono chang show wa punya. La particular video wa che kar pago. Communica de wula papa malab gate.
Okay.
Ati jeni so kanati harasra. Do la gate maya do kamu kanu abin yelo ni o da mo pulo do ku yesam zamba.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from security, I think it's clear. Kana ti will come and to put me fancy gadam nang de shem or concerts pune ti kana whether akon ko nya be do ko nyela join concert me le kadama de entertainment ma wona to ko nyela musu sai ka ko. So kan wotan nang ngoma tin join concert kanang we serious than simple in other concerts. Is it that we should expect something more than thing you put in your shanga on stage? You are just giving us the usual fancy gather.
Yeah, so my usual the lanka because come ko nang le. During your usual ungo ko ndie nang le.
Okay.
Anya din na ko kan nyala man so nang de ba ka usual la bala. Anya la bo. But as to mama ni entertain fans masham. I'm promising you the best for me.
Okay.
Anya la bo because this all tem san artist in pam nang bir ma zo. Aku will tamale sasa 2 artists ko ka par pon. Only 2 artists.
Okay.
Kananche bangu sa represent different places, regions. Nka tapa because nang ma katama no konku impershuma. Ni pam yele ban yere Volga, ka shab yere wa, ka shab yere Savannah region, ka shab yere North East. Lala nyele ma. Anyala bo. So show ma kananche artists in pam yele man be Accra can reach out with me that they want to be part of this program. Okay. Yeah. So they just want me to put them on.
Take come to William entrance be how you appear on stage.
Yeah.
Of late, thing you come and artist when you're tell me normal fancy gadam will just do a normal walking the performance and the cash again. Then kasa kuchana kata thing you can't twist when you're
yes.
Thing entrance come and they
cutting in the pelan.
Come out child way entrance. So this particular show, tell expect them lala chebe to will come and down as the normal fans.
Oh, don't worry, it's going to be great. More the wow factor come.
Yeah, the year to our entrance share that year to no oh la entrance ba ka yeto abale year.
Now
Katarasi.
Ka zo chule that.
Katarasi la entrance
ba. Yes.
So I mean,
don't worry. Mbora the wow factor. Because yela bishani nang katakana apumi unungo kenang. I want to amaze you. Just try and come out to your numbers and see wonders.
Okay, so no wrapping up to go and love me in yele chakate fans ma about show dates, attendance ma this something about because mostly this the number 1 challenge kata malaka fans gada minuti I think almost everybody lateness. And this is a joint concept. Some one thing fans gada performance you definitely this is the first time P Square cannot tamale. We want to see him more on stage. So people manage time, a bit time people manage definitely to be a yela la shot.
Yes, so I shall feel it. When we reached out with them, we told them we needed them to perform for 45 minutes. They said, "What is 45? They need 2 hours." Yeah, they like Brian, they need 2 hours. So they were on they were like, "Oh, jump 2 hours." The show started on Monday. This started 12. Tawala karkulusra. So we born the before. Anyalabo. So the rank ma de wula. The subsini fast ma. So comes as a dang yibna. Anyalabo. So the mama nguna den dang pilego. but dan pili ma mi za dwella fans ma ne dan yim na sham so to sura fans ma so kan ko man ko da dan yim na mu kam za pujul ngu sum na un tutia no na un kum to kachenti sarati balbo kam za la jang to shu ngu te da don ku sam sama ka ku to kachenti sa te manam ya ban be dure te bora duwa ne te baba nam ya ban be dure te bora duwa afanam ban be yongo za te bora duwa na un kum to kachenti sarati balbo kam za because akon la solo nguna the tumsum ne asumi nzara sarati.
Let's not forget, you could hear la two musicians two years you tambal na ina but kill I mean think to you come out clear about
Yes.
what in your
Yeah, don't worry. They're available on my page. We unveil them.
when
Yeah. Yeah.
okay, so I could be lole kam ka wum da fancy gadam dam le ka a wum da ma ta ko yanzu la fika entry fans ma za nan ba yini fancy gadam ex boy concert ne la ban sha dan kana on the 30th of May 2026 big concert in Balagoma Kalala dun goma be demand na gadam nation dem konko yina this is something to put northern region on the globe on the map so dem ya solo kwang e manki yina ka ta tap song show ma ven yalanga nda sadaki yan yimna la show
la baby lama abba
kan lore la arakare yimna la show ma funi Blinks encore more on Jade Blinks TV kat sponsors nye Elite Game Hub Caxton Records, Diamond Dreams Fitness, JC Restaurants, Media Mind Studios. Now is that you have paba ko idin kana tala hanya la bayan bizu wo pune zan dan kam jan zantiya. Ayulum bone hawa kulu antu bol makapal pale in chapsia.